Hey, and welcome back to Crypto World. Today's video is about the Gala's price and its worth by the year 2025. Stick with me till the end to know all this. But before, let's get a little overview of the Gala Games, especially for those who are quite new to this. So basically, Gala Games was founded in 2018 by Eric Schiermeier, co-founder of games developer Zynga, Wright Thurston, crypto miner, and Michael McCarthy, creative director behind viral games such as Farmville, with one goal in mind: to give power back to the gamers. Through this initiative, Gala Games co-founders are targeting a wide niche of gamers who would like to change the gaming ecosystem. The introduction of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, into the Gala Games ecosystem was the first step towards making gaming more decentralized, as well as helping players take ownership of their game items. NFTs can be collected, traded, and sold not just within their own game, but throughout the entirety of the Gala Games ecosystem. In order to achieve its stated goal, Gala Games has established a blockchain network powered by Gala tokens, which power the entirety of the platform. Built on the Ethereum F blockchain, Gala tokens are transferable between users who have full control over how to use them. One thing to note is that, as Gala is based on Ethereum, it is a token rather than a coin. You might see such questions as, what is Gala Games coin? Or references to things like the Gala coin value, the Gala coin price, or even a Gala coin price prediction, but these terms are all, technically speaking, incorrect. Users can also purchase nodes in Gala, Ether F, or Basic Attention Token BAT and acquire voting rights on which games will be published next on the platform, allowing players to exercise full governance. This process is also known as the Founders Nodes within the Gala Games ecosystem, which is powered by over 16,000 player-run nodes. The Gala cryptocurrency can also be used as a reward to owners and is distributed daily to founders' nodes that have operated for at least a required time using a point system. Running a node for 6 hours within a cycle will earn players 1 point. In order for the network to run smoothly, 50,000 founders' nodes were released upon its launch. In the long run, Gala Games is planning to establish multiple game studios that will each work on multiple games, creating a steady stream of NFTs, which will get dropped to the node network in order to incentivize the network and keep it stable. So far, the platform hosts 15 games and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Gala cryptocurrency did not have an initial coin offering ICO upon its launch. Since its launch, the platform has acquired 1.3 million monthly active users and sold more than 26,000 NFTs, with the most expensive so far selling for $3 million. These numbers are taken from the Gala website and have not been updated for several months. So this was all about Gala Games basics. To understand its price in the future, we must have to know how its history was. So let's now cast our eyes over the Gala price history. While past performance should never be taken as an indicator of future results, knowing what the token has done in the past can help give us some context if we want to either interpret a Gala price prediction or make one of our own. The Gala token started to gain traction in September 2021 after being listed on the Binance, BNB, and Bitbox crypto exchange platforms in the middle of the month. Its price surged to $0.113 on 23 September 2021, up by 51,594% from its previous all-time low of $0.00022 on 28 December 2020. Following updates to Gala Games inventory, which made transferring items from within the platform's ecosystem to Ethereum much easier, as well as the signing of a memorandum of understanding between Gala Games and Wemade, the blockchain subsidiary of Korea-based gaming giant Wemade, the Gala crypto price moved sideways throughout October and mid-November 2021. News on 15 November 2021 that the company would release its first limited supply of game node licenses for Townstar boosted the Gala token by 192%, up from $0.13 on 15 November 2021 to $0.37 a week later. The token's price managed to keep a steady growth pace and surged to $0.71, still its all-time high by 28 November 2021, following the announcement of the release of a new series of its VOX NFTs. Success, however, did not last long for the Gala Games crypto, despite the general hype surrounding play-to-earn platforms, which surpassed a record $1 billion in NFT trading volumes in November, according to data published by DappRadar. Between its all-time high at the end of November and 3 December 2021, the token's value dropped by 29% to $0.51. The Gala Games token continued on a downward trend over the following month until it reached $0.18 on 22 January 2022, despite securing a $100 million blockchain gaming fund in partnership with C2 Ventures and preparing for the launch of Phase 2 of the node's ecosystem at the start of January. and finally the Gala price prediction. It's now time to take a look at some of the Gala price predictions that were being made as of 20 October 2022. It is important to note here that price forecasts, especially for something as potentially volatile as cryptocurrency, are often wrong. Also, long-term price predictions are often made using an algorithm, which means they can change at a moment's notice. First, Gov Capital had a Gala price prediction for 2022 that said the token could close the year at $0.27. By 11 October 2023, the site said that Gala could potentially fall to trade at about $0.24 before moving to $0.61 12 months after that. On 11 October 2025, Gala could be worth a fraction of a cent under $1.19 before possibly trading just below $1.84 a year from then and potentially trading not too far off $2.62 on 11 October 2027. Next, CoinsKid made a Gala crypto price prediction that saw the token potentially worth $0.0424 in December 2022, before reaching a possible $0.0577 in October next year. A year from then, CoinsKid said that Gala could climb to $0.0687 before making a Gala price prediction for 2025 that saw it potentially recover to $0.1145 by October that year. By October 2026, the site argued that the token could continue to rise to $0.1999 before potentially closing the year at $0.2331. Meanwhile, Captain Altcoin had a Gala token price prediction which argued it could go on a somewhat bearish run in the near future, dropping to $0.0368 in December 2022, before potentially recovering to trade at $0.0619 in October 2023. By 2025, the site said, Gala could be worth about $0.1617, but there could be a substantial drop by October 2027 when it could be down to $0.0947. The site then went on to make a Gala price prediction for 2030 of $0.4043, before arguing that it could get to $0.8086 in 2040. Finally, Wallet Investor struck a far more bearish note in its Gala price forecast, saying that the token could be in for a rough 12 months, potentially dropping to $0.00864 by October 2023. When considering a Gala token price prediction, it's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets remain extremely volatile, making it difficult to accurately predict what a coin or token's price will be in a few hours, and even harder to give long-term estimates. As such, analysts and algorithm-based forecasters can and do get their predictions wrong. If you are considering investing in cryptocurrency tokens, we recommend that you always do your own research. Look at the latest market trends, news, technical and fundamental analysis, and expert opinion before making any investment decision. Keep in mind that past performance is no guarantee of future returns, and never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. So that's all we have for you today. See you in the next one. Peace out.